NSCDC don't arrest 2 men when they catch them with 173 parcels of Igbo. Not be 20, not be 10. 173, they pack and like parcel. Una they see creativity. People really good. In fact, Nigerian thieves are big criminals. They suppose they give them degree. Maybe they go school collect certificate because see as person reason this thing, parcel and pack and well. Say one go they do delivery. According to Castina command, where name na Mohammed Tuka, they say they arrest this men and based on tip off. Then so they don't they do amebo. Person tell them say okay, say this Igbo, they won't go do delivery. Our Malians, and I don't start delivery service because I hear say this Igbo now all the way from Lagos. On I know na self. I sure say now go don't gather this thing. And say person will even carry this thing in on the run, they never even see him. And people beg, make na follow me watch.
Nigeria Security and Civil Defense Corps, through its own efforts of tackling all forms of crime and criminalities, was able to successfully arrest some people suspected of being in possession of some banned substances. The Corps initially got tipped off to our security operatives who were on patrol, and they were able to pinpoint the exact location of the item and the suspect, leading to such arrests.
Malian people on our handwork don't even reach inside Castina. Because as the matter being, I can't be surprised. People even carry this thing. 50 years old man. Old man we suppose don't go sit down, they retire. Now you can't think of Igbo business. I beg you, wait. If let's say I saw this business, money stay inside well now. Because upon everything we talk, it's now 50,000. Ordinary 50,000, now they won't pay. Now you won't come go kill yourself. For Igbo. Igbo will be say all these police will even arrest yourself. They sit down for corner, they smoke. They even plant them for, in fact, on the normal days, if you go even see Igbo for road. Now you won't come go risk your life. Because of 50,000 naira. But now something I go make something bend. Because if say work there, be say better thing there for this man and this boy. I'm not sure say two of them go sit down and say this kind of work they do. But I hope say my people, hope say they see, say this whole people where they catch, they come from Castina State. Now from their side, yeah, make them not come they talk say na tribalism be na something and they cause all this wahala. They don't see and say na their own people na them. Now go carry this thing, say they want they do delivery work. And they talk and say the man will carry this thing where they even find in name na Gaddafi. Say he even use trick on them. Say he carry fish. Person say na stock fish now this trailer carry before they go see. Or God don't go hide the book inside the thing. You wait, say some people feel they even chop this fish now they go they hide. Make na don't they reason now. Because if it means say this Igbo don't go mix with this fish. Make na no come they chop, come they behave like person don't they trace. Make na no say they catch one person now. Make na they hear them now. But I beg, this kind of man, what if you're on I don't even understand some people. Say because the money is too small for me. Because I shall say this prison where they will carry then this one go now. Money where you go even spend, you go even pass the money where you collect. So why you don't go reason and say, okay, make I even collect pay where be say if they even bust you, you don't go even to pay you. You go reason and say, okay, you don't sacrifice something to take gain something. Some people when they go just they do business, in fact, and they know they even reason. If go be say now, boys, in fact, they're not even supposed to ship this thing all the way from Lagos. That Kaduna been a where it is of Castina alone. They go see her for grand. Now person can go the risk in life. Some people you cannot talk say they no get sense, but true or no get sense. My people, I beg, I hear this one. I want to make a bring them, making a service in our ear. Here what they happen inside this Nigeria where we did. And this way in a film, make no forget to write them for the comment section. Make no also forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for our next video. Them don't arrest one Brazilian woman. No, they see this woman with cocaine. She hide this cocaine inside her toto. Inside toto. This one surprised me. How person go carry something, put inside that place, and she go there very comfortable. We gotta say this woman, she carry 100 wraps. When no be about you carry, you can't gather them one by one. Hide 12 inside your distance. Women, when they try, it means anything if you enter that down there. Anything sizable and big, you go down there, you say, you no go even shake. You go there, can't you no go even move. Say this woman, in fact, I come the wonder. If you say na yeast infection, she say she won't cure. Now make her call the gather the thing they put one by one. And I don't see where Mrs. Anita don't go land. On top of say money. On top of say money, small money when even plenty. See how she even carry this thing. They pay her $3,000. Where be 1.5 million? Where? Now she used to go carry cocaine. My people beg, make na follow me watch.
Anita and Virginia.
Where are you coming from? Brazil. Alright. This bag, are they yours?
Yes.
Were you the one that packed them?
Yes.
So you're responsible for everything that you see.
Yes.
So if we see any incriminating things here, they belong to you. Okay, we need to search. Can you watch us? Yeah.
Open it now. Can you see?
Mrs. Anita, they're supposed to award you Madam Toto of the Year. Because it means anything feel hide for that place. Hey, my people wanna they see. This woman when they talk say she come all the way from Brazil. Say this woman even, in fact, she get her own business where she they do. She they do her legit work. Where we say she they sell African food stuff for that site. Now there she come meet one Mr. Emeka. Mr. Emeka come tell us, okay, help me carry this 100 wraps of cocaine. Say, as she dey reason am, say, if I say this kind of thing, she no go fit swallow am. Now there she come decide, say, the only protective place where this thing go fit hide for. Now down there, that place is surprised because I wonder how this woman take put this thing. But understand then this thing stay big now. How she take put them one by one, so take 12. Fear enter that place. I hope say I cover her body and nyash everything with the blood of Jesus. Because I dey fear say this thing fit even go spoil something inside her body. But now she get her body. But as the woman come Naija, now there they come bust this woman. Now wetin dey make me the reason say if bless all these Brazil people, I be airport people for that side. And I know they do na research well. Person go come from that side, na no go check him body. I be na they do na I sure say they bribe them. Because how person go pass all the way from that place, go enter Nigeria, they no see anything. Now inside this Nigeria, now somebody can't go chook now, they can't catch them. It means that once something illegal they happen for that side. She even get lucky self. Say they don't even go catch them for that place because if say that place, I trust them. Any smart for that their own side, on a no say na death. But she lucky say inside Nigeria, she feel still, mago away, come out from that place. But mommy, I beg, how you take plan to do this kind of thing? She said she keep her children now for her neighbor place for that place. I beg, how you want to manage this whole thing? And I know say this NDLEA people now, they really work. They work because they catch people now on a regular. But still they go talk say Nigerians making us stop this thing. But still na no go hear. If like say abun today na brain. And I no go hear something na go still they do am say this cocaine na must carry am. On top of waiting. Say she won't go do her papa burial. Papa burial, person wey don die, leave am make it die in peace. Now you won't go waste money. On top of 1.5 million naira, now you go do this kind of thing. Now if you enter prison now, that money wey you wan use for the burial yourself, you no go even see am use. Because now for the police station, now you go use am settle debt. Una dey see we dey make am for abroad, na dem be this. Rich auntie vibes, wey be say they go dey show you, they go dey pepper you, na dem be this. You no go know say the kind work wey they do for that abroad, na bad things. And all these abroad people, most of them, they always catch them say, why na dey spoil our name abeg? Why na dey spoil this Nigerian name? And I go there, do something legit, make we know say na legit work you dey do. Any bad news, Nigeria dey inside. Nigeria, abeg na only Nigeria dey inside the whole country. Na only Nigeria dey the world wey be say anybody wey dey arrest, if na thief or if na this one, the person one Nigeria must dey inside. This Antina just go disgrace us again. She just go spoil the Nigerian name. Our award winner for the total of the year. You just go spoil everything again, can't give us. But I know as you want to do one because it's your matter, even surprising. I don't know bear where they won't give you because the thing too plenty. Some dey inside your handbag. The ones where even they down there on your own. The one where they inside handbag. The one where the handbag say people they jagaja. I sure see now waiting make those abroad people no even check inside the bag. Now make they just reason say make they let her go. But I beg you, making us stop to spoil our name. We don't tire. We don't tire any bad news. We don't want to hear am big, making a change. My people, I hear this one. I want to make a bring and come na side. Make na say visit na here. Everything they happen. Make na don't forget to comment about this whole matter what I just talked about. And make na don't forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for our next video.